Berachot 5:2, Mishnah Bet. Mazkirin givurot geshamim betchiyat hametim. We mention the strength of rains in the blessing of Techiyat HaMetim in the Amida, meaning that's where we insert Mashiv HaRuach Umorid HaGeshem. And just like the resurrection of the dead is about getting up and living, the same thing, rains give life to the world, everything grows. And it's also Givurah, which is judgment or justice, din. It's not that anything's hard for Hashem, but it's worded that it's hard for Hashem, so to speak, to give us parnasa, livelihood. It's hard because it's not so much because of what He wants to give, it's because of our merit. That's why it could be hard, because Hashem might want to give it to us, and He won't because we don't deserve it. We need merit for parnasa. And same thing, to get up from the dead, a person needs a merit for that. Some people won't get up. We shouldn't take it for granted. So we just say Mashiv HaRuach Umorid HaGeshem in this spot, in the Amida, and it's just a shevach. It's part of the praise, the first three berachot. Whereas the next one, V'sho'alin HaGeshamim, we actually ask for rain, Beberkat HaShanim, in Barech Aleinu, which is where we say Mevarech HaShanim at the end. It's called Berkat HaShanim. The blessing of the years, meaning the year should be filled with parnasa. And again, rain. So we technically ask in the asking section about the geshamim. We say, V'ten tal u'matal beracha, should bring us the dew and the rain in a beracha. And Havdalah bechonen hadat. The third insertion is when we say Havdalah, which is Ata chonantanu, that Hashem, you distinguished or differentiated between light and dark, Shabbat and weekday, Israel and the nations, which you see, Israel and the nations is like night and day, just to point that out. And we say it bechonen hadat. In chonen hadat, Rabbi Akiva Omer, this was the first opinion in chonen hadat. Now Rabbi Akiva wants to say, Omra beracha revi'it b'fnei atzma. You make a fourth actual beracha. So our 19 berachot is going to turn into 20. Right after Hakel HaKadosh, you're going to say a beracha of something and end chonen hadat, and end hamavdil ben kodesh lechol. And then say Ata chonen ladam dat. He wants you to say your own beracha of it. And the third opinion, Rabbi Eliezer Omer, behoda'ah. He doesn't say you say your own beracha, he says you insert it in one of the others, like the first opinion, but he says where to insert it. Not in the chonen hadat, but to do it in the hoda'ah, in the modim. After modim, like ala nisim, that's where we would put it. And then we'd say v'al kulam itbarach v'termam v'naseh. And it's part of that blessing. Baruch atah Hashem hatov shimcha l'cha na'eh lehodot. Because again, hoda'ah. So he would put it in there, and part of a blessing, not be one on its own. So we have here different inserts of the Amida. One is about the rain, which has two parts, the Shevach and the Bakasha. And then one is about the Havdalah. And the Havdalah has a three-way machloket where to put it. Our halacha is, of course, like the first opinion. We say Ata chonantanu in the middle of Ata chonen ladam da'at. And the rationale is because we need da'at, which is wisdom, knowledge, in order to differentiate between Shabbat and the weekday. This is something spiritual. You have to have a da'at from Hashem in order to know what that difference is and to feel the difference. As opposed to Rabbi Eliezer, he just figures we thank Hashem for it, so he should put it in the Hoda'ah section.